Hi friends, I am Dr. Datta Ram. I am a surgical gastroenterologist and HPP surgeon at Hyderabad. Liver regeneration. Today I am going to narrate a story from Greek mythology. Prometheus was cursed by the Greek god of sky, Zeus, for having given fire back to mankind. The punishment was that he was chained to a mountain and he would be eaten by an eagle every day. The eagle was to perch on him and eat part of his liver every day. Overnight the liver used to grow back. So his punishment was eternal. Later he was freed by the Greek hero Heracles and was rid of the punishment. So this story from the Greek mythology tells us that the Greek knew that the liver would regenerate if part of the liver is removed. Unlike other organs, liver is a versatile and a very unique organ. It has a very special feature that it regenerates or grows back if part of the liver is removed. Of course, it would take some weeks to months, but if a part of liver is removed, it will grow back to its original size depending on the body's demand. If the liver is normal, 75 to 80% of a normal liver can be removed without any sequel and the liver would grow back to its original size. You all must have heard about living donor liver transplant. Living donor liver transplant is a person who donates part of the liver to someone who is having liver failure or who needs a liver transplant. The donor remnant liver will grow back in few months' time to the original size. So, liver is such a wonderful organ that it can grow back to its original size in few weeks to few months, and no other organ in the body has this unique capability.